Hi children, good morning. Take your course book ma everyone. Take page number 27. See children, this is your English class. Grammar point is vowel sounds. Vowel sounds. Did you know that vowel makes two sounds? One is long sound and another one is short sound. Are you understood children? Vowel sound makes two types of sounds. One is long sound and another one is short sound. See children, the difference in the sounds vowel. See here in book, what we are saying this pronunciation book, book, cook, foot, good, look, hook, took, stood, wood. This is short sound, short vowel. This is short sound. Okay children? Next, long sound. Room, R-O-O-M, room. N-O-O-N, noon. R-O-O-F, roof. M-O-O-N, moon. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. S-O-O-N, soon. L-O-O-S-E, lose. T-O-O-T-H, tooth. Z-O-O-M, June. These words are making which type of sound? Long sound. Okay children? Here see, B-O-O-K, book. C-O-O-K, cook. F-O-O-T, foot. G-O-O-D, good. L-O-O-K, look. H-O-O-K, hook. T-O-O-K, took. S-T-O-O-D, stood. W-O-O-D, wood. This is short sound. These vowel makes short sound. This vowel makes long sound. Okay children, are you understood? Next. See children, here some blanks are there. Fill in the blanks by using the given vowel words. Here see children, what words are there given? B-O-O-T, boot. B-O-O-T, boot. P-O-O-L, pool. P-O-O-L, pool. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. W-O-O-L, wool. W-O-O-L, wool. G-O-O-S-C, goose. G-O-O-S-C, goose. See children here. Raju is eating with a dash. Raju is eating with a, which word is the correct word here? Yes, spoon. Eating with a spoon. Write down children, take your pencil and write down, give little finger gap starting. Small s, P down letter, O-O-N, spoon. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. Next one. Manu is chasing the dash. Manu is chasing the, which one is correct word? Yes, goose. G-O-O-S-E, goose. Give little finger gap and write down G down letter. G-O-O-S-E, goose. G-O-O-S-E, goose. He kicked the ball with his boot. With his boot. Give little finger gap. B-O-O-T, boot. He kicked the ball with his boot. B-O-O-T, boot. Next. This cloth is made of. Cloth is made of. Yes, wool. Give little finger gap here like this and write down wool spelling. Small W-O-O-L, wool. This cloth is made of wool. W-O-O-L, wool. I like to swim in a. Yes, the remaining last word is pool. I like to swim in a pool. P down letter children here. Give little finger gap. P-O-O-L, pool. P-O-O-L, pool. Okay children, now take your workbook. Page number 14. Okay children, now only we already discussed the long sound and also short sound in course book. Yes or no? Now we will practice again long O sound and short O sound. And write here children, take your pencil. Here write 5 O words in each column. Here write down long sounds, long O sounds. Okay? I already have learned. Long O sounds. Room. R-O-O-M. Room. Write down children starting onwards. R-O-O-M. Room. Next. Okay children. Moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. Next. Soon. S-O-O-N. Soon. Tvaraga. Soon. June. Z-O-O-M. June. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. Room, moon, soon, June, school. These are the words which are making long sound. Now short sound. Write down children in O short sound column. Book. B-O-O-K. Book. Say another word. Yes. Good. G-O-O-D. Good. G down letter children here. Next. Wood. W-O-O-D. Wood. Next. Took. T-O-O-K. Took. Next word. Last word. Short sound. H-O-O-K. Hook. Book. Good. Wood. Took. Hook. Like this you have to write down neatly and correctly. Next topic in this page only. See children, we already learned floating boat lesson poem, yes or no? Okay. Fill in the blanks by recalling the poem. 1 dash when I was about to eat. Here in this blank, what is the correct word? 1 morning. You little finger gap. Write down morning spelling. What is the morning spelling? M-O-R-N-I-N-G down letter. M-O-R-N-I-N-G. I saw the dash on my seat. I saw the newspaper. Give little finger gap. Write down newspaper spelling. N-E-W-S. News. P-A-P-E-R. Paper. Newspaper. P down letters here, children. Okay. Next. I found dash someone wrote. I found something someone wrote. Write down, children. Starting onwards. Something. S-O-M-E. Some. T-H-I-N-G down letter. Something. I found something someone wrote. Fourth one, the dash and dash of the boat keeps it afloat. The shape and wood of the boat. Write down, children, shape spelling. S-H-A-P down letter E. S-H-A-P-E, shape, and wood. W-O-O-D, wood. The shape and wood of the boat keeps it afloat. Next blank. Every time I look at the dash, I wonder how does it dash. Every time I look at the boat, what is the boat spelling? B-O-A-T, boat. Next. I wonder how does it float. F-L-O-A-T, float. F-L-O-A-T, float. Put full stop here. Once again, ma. One morning when I was about to eat, I saw the newspaper on my seat. I found something someone wrote. The shape and wood of the boat keeps it afloat. Every time I look at the boat, I wonder how does it float. Okay, children, learn these spellings and write down each one 5 times in your rough notebook, ma. Morning, newspaper, something, shape, wood, boat, and also float, and also long vowel sounds words and short vowel sounds also. Each one 5 times write down, children. Okay, learn well, ma. We will meet again in next class. Thank you, children. Bye.